is actually the first time we've ever just driven down the coast. Have you ever heard that song, I Could Die a Happy Man?
Yeah.
I could literally die a happy man now. Driving my sports car down the coast. You already know. Windows down, downshift, and hit it. So it's officially here after a month of waiting. The two-step is finally here. I haven't seen any good videos on people actually installing it. I've seen like the after of when they're doing all this crazy little flame throwing and all that. So I decided this is gonna be a how-to. I haven't done this in a while because most of my videos are just fun and me messing around, doing a bunch of crazy nonsense. But this is officially is gonna be a how-to from start to finish to see how easy it is, because they say you don't even need tools to install this, but we don't have the button yet. We're gonna get up until the button and then we're gonna go to the store to finish it off. So here's what actually comes in the box. It's the whole wiring harness setup, the blue wire that's gonna go to whether you're gonna install it to the clutch or a button, and some screws. So no tools unless you're gonna do it with this, but we're gonna do it with double-sided tape.
Is this thing gonna make you spit fire?
No, it's for fuel efficiency. So very first thing, let's go ahead and pop the hood, because remember, I'm gonna show you guys start to finish to see if it truly is easy as they say. Pop the hood. I never had the valve covers on it ever since Gio detailed it, but what they say, you pretty much have to pop all these off. So let's get that going. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. The actual box, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I don't know if it's gonna go here or down here. We'll see right now. See, this is the scary part, because I don't know which is right, which one's left. And I don't want to mess up anything. Let's just assume that goes there, this goes here. Let's pull out the instructions. Okay. See, these are all the instructions it has. It doesn't say right or left. Let's start unplugging them. Right side is done. It isn't looking too bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie it right here so it looks a little bit more organized, but it actually is pretty easy. You just have to pop the red things and that's pretty much it. So let's finish up the right side. We're not sponsored, so we're not keeping this, but I do want to keep the RPMs. Let's make a little cut.
You good down there?
No, it's like the hardest thing to like put the blue wire through the firewall.
You look like you're playing Twister.
Oh, trust me, I know.
You're about to take the L though.
Holy shit, it's so difficult. I feel like this is the most difficult part just because I want it so like clean, you know? So what I did, I ran a steel cable through kind of what the hood latch is. If you guys can see that little hole. There's the blue wire and I'm gonna try to yank it through. Hopefully it works. Go give it a good yank.
It hurt. The wire hurts my hand.
Okay, hold on. With the help of Janelli, she taped it right there. And look at this. Sheesh! Now we can just hide the button somewhere around here. Just check out this ingenuity. Electrical tape wrapped around this metal wire. It damaged some of this, but because we have so much, we're gonna cut it right here anyway. I still don't know where I'm gonna mount this. I kind of want a double-sided tape right here. It goes blue to blue, because we're not, blue and white means you're gonna do it to your clutch. We're only doing blue to blue. Let's click this one in already. We're just gonna clean up all of this. Zip tie them, and then work on the button a little later. This one's pretty fancy. I'm going for something simple. What are your thoughts? Some double-sided tape to mount it. We got our stuff. By the way, for being my little assistant, do you want some Starbucks or something? Get your little scones. We got the box installed right here. We wired up everything. I'm about to put the valve covers on it. Now time for the button. So this is the weird part. it only comes with one point, and usually these come with like a live in the ground, so I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna try to figure it out though. I bought these things too to make it all look all professional. It's a little twist. The back end. There. Oh, feels good. Slice off the excess, and that's pretty much it. Let's try to slide it in. Oh no! Oh, there you go. Okay. That's pretty much it. I have no idea which one's on and off. We'll figure it out though. For those who don't know, in the Corvette, if you just hold the brake and hold the start button, there you go. It takes a while. And this is what I noticed. This was my mistake, so don't copy this. In the instructions, it says if that little red LED is on, that means it's activated. What I didn't do is connect the two, or it has to come with another wire. But this was my mistake. I had to add another wire. That's why the blue wire comes so long, because you have to ground that. Pretty much anywhere down here, you're able to ground it. I just have to cut more blue wire. I'm too tired tonight, so we're gonna catch this up tomorrow. Oh, baby. We got it crimped. The screw through. Get it through here. One for good luck. Check out the final setup. We grounded it to whatever this is. Here's the actual box. You can't even notice it because I took off all the stickers and stuff. Double-sided tape. Wiring. Make sure I put a zip tie. So if you look at it, it looks pretty clean. You can kind of see some of the wires. I'm gonna try to tuck those in a little bit better. But the engine bay still looks stock. Quick fuel stop. By the way, we put fucking 87. The car is finally done. It's absolutely filthy right now, so I don't know if you can see it, all the pollen on it. But I'm gonna set you guys down. I've been messing it with it off camera, and let's just say, I don't think I have it dialed in yet, so I might do some testing out here too. We came to the middle of nowhere for legal reasons, and we're parked. We're not on the street, technically driving. We're parked, but we're about to test it out to see how cool it is.
It smells like shit.
Well, that's what she's smelling, is all the unburnt fuel.
Hazel's scared.
I know. That's all the unburnt fuel that's just passing through the exhaust. Obviously, we still have my cats. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from in the cockpit. I'm not gonna show you my button location because I let people sometimes drive my car, so I don't want them to know where the secret button is, but here's pretty much what it looks like. Pretty much the trick to this, you have to have your foot all the way down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's currently set to 4,500 because in the instructions it said don't go over 3,000 if you don't want to blow out your cats. That's currently my concern because I hate having the check engine light. I want to do the cats later. I remember back in the day we pretty much just gutted the cats, and that for sure would have made flames. But right now we're not getting the cats, or if it happens, it happens. You know, I can't control it. But that's pretty much it. We're not spitting flames yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Who knows? Maybe I might blow out the cats. Can you do me the hugest favor and do it for me so I can hear it? This is pretty much all you're gonna do. Foot on the gas to the floor, okay? To the floor.
Which one's gas again? Here.
You'll feel it all the way in the right. Tell me when you're ready.
I think I'm ready. I'm scared. So I just put it all the way on the floor.
And hold it there for 3 seconds.
Why so long?
2 seconds, pues. Holy shit, it's loud. We're not spitting flames, but it is loud.
A few moments later.
I may have read the instructions wrong and I set my RPMs a little too high. So it's official, my cats are blown out. I'll show you guys the actual moment I found out that these cats were just donezo. Do you guys want to see the results of what blown out cats and a 2-step result to? Which I thought this video was going to be lame, but no. These are the consequences you're going to have to deal with because you no longer pass emissions. But do you guys want to see the results though? Check this out. I'm going to set you guys down. Is recording? Is recording? I didn't know what it looked like, but fuck, it sounded loud. King gunshots. Let's let the car idle. Were you scared? What was your reaction to the very first time? Let me see.
I thought the car was gonna blow up.
Why?
Because it was freaking loud and there was fire. That shit was traumatizing.
From inside the car, it's not too noisy. It's just like whatever. You kind of just hear the engine revving up. You hear the pops, but it's not loud. So drop a like, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.